In the cybersecurity industry, across the security landscape, there is a missing piece in your security stack. I think we rely on automated detection and automated prevention so much so solely that it has become a crutch. We rely and trust our dashboard, our SOC, or our SIEM to alert and trigger on events or incidents where there's bad actors or malware in our network. And we complain all the time about false positives, when all the alarm bells and whistles are going off, but there really isn't any evil there. And even more dangerous than that are the false negatives, where there truly is a bad actor or malware in your network, and you aren't alerted, you're completely oblivious. Now, don't get me wrong, automation is a must. It is absolutely necessary. But what's even more necessary is letting a real human being or a person step in to do rapid response and investigate incidents. A real person has the context and understanding. They can know what's bad and what's good because they'll have the years of security experience. They have the expertise, they're a professional and a practitioner, and they can handle this. Manual analysis and human-powered threat hunting can better detect malware and hackers than just automation alone. If you're interested in this synthesis between automation and threat hunting, check us out online at huntress.com/trial. Sign up for a free 21-day trial where you can deploy to an unlimited number of hosts. And if you have any questions or concerns, drop us a line, reach out with the email address hello@huntress.com.